got it. Yep. Yeah. Okay. So this is the sheet, right? So in this particular sheet, okay. So my question is here. My question is, I would like to take the category description and year and you know category description and year and revenue, right? This is the three columns and fields we are working on it. So this is the table how we can create it. That kind of description could mention over here, and it with help of this one we can easily do it. Okay, and you would like to go for creating the new sheet. Okay, so this is the sheet. So you can take it. Okay, yes, fine. So you have to create the new sheet. Yes, I created the new sheet, and we need to give the name of it is a revenue table, right? Just simply copy this one and rename this table, rename this sheet as the revenue table. Okay, yes, fine. Yes, so the sheet name is already existed. Then I can give the name is a one. Okay, yes, revenue table one. Now, what I do, the second step, drag and drop the revenue USD to the center of the sheet. Simply what I should do, you can take it this one and drag and drop over in the center of this particular sheet. So by the time it was no center of the sheet, right? We are getting the 720 799 This is a total revenue on entire years. Okay, and now I would like to take the drag and drag the year column. So I should year where it is available. So this is my table, category table and customer table, right? So even you don't need to worry about it. If you know what field you want to work on it, simply we can search it. So here we have the year table, and this thing I want to take it in the column. Okay, so simply what I should do, drag the year in the column table, right? Simply you can drag the column table. Now in 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011 and 12. Okay, and and now what I should do, what I should do and I should drag and drop the filter. If I do the filter, then you have an option to select, okay, what things we require. Okay, if I select this one, you will be getting the 2007, 2007, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2010 and 11 only. Okay, so because of drag and drop filter only on the show here at 2007 to 2011. Okay, now what I can do, I have the category description. I need to drag the category description, category description. Yes. Now what I can do, category description, the row, right? So I can just drag the column and drag into the row. So this is the way you can drag the, and you can, you are creating the table as of you created the table, right? So something looks good. Now what I can do, and now I would like to add the grand total. I would like to add the grand total. Okay, in a column as well as in a row also. So what I can do, here we have the analysis, and here we have the totals. In a totals, if you want to add the total grand total rows wise or column wise, then we can use the totals and show in the row. So if when I show it in the row, the grand total it could be adding in the row wise. So this is the thing, like accessories of 2006 2007 till now, to from the 2006 to 2012, what could be grand total on accessories only. Okay, or else if you want to add the, if you want to add the, so show, right? So here we have an option, show filter, and so you can add the 2012 also, then it was increased. So if you want access only 2007 2006 and 2008, 2010 and 12 records only I wanted. So this is the way also we can changes as you like it. So you added the grand total, accessories wise, category wise, right? But I want to take the annual revenue on all the categories. Then what I can do, again, we can go for the analysis and go for the totals and click on the this one. Then it could be adding the grand total at year wise. Okay. Yeah. Now you created the accessories. Yeah, fine. As of now, you did right. Expand the description column. Entire field description. Expand the description column. Okay, to show the entire field description. So you're just expanded. Previously, only we did it. Now, what I do actually, format the revenue USD and show in a currency with no decimals. It was in a dollar format, right? So the dollar, the currency, it was in a dollar format. And format revenue USD in the show in the currency with no decimals. Select down and green pill some revenue and select the format. You just select this one and click on the format, and with the inside of the format, then what I can do, and format pan will appear under the default. Change the number inside of the default. We have to change the number. So what I need to change the number, I would like to go for change the number format, custom currency. So custom a currency, right? Simply click on this one and currency custom. Okay. Then after what I do, specify the zero decimals. So here we have to specify the zero decimals, and that's it. Okay. So this is the way you can do it. This is the thing. Simply you can click on the format and we can um, make it the currency as the USD, and decimals it should be zero, and that what we did it. Now grand total, bold the grand total line and the change the font color green. So this is the bold, this thing you want to make it to the bold grand total. So you have to make it to the this thing, it was in a bold. So the text grand total thing, it should be mentioned the little bit of bold color. Okay, boldness. Okay, I mean it will increase the font. I mean, and the change the color in the green. Simply we can click and format. This one actually I want it in a annual. So here I should maintain the annual total so that I can mention like annual total. So I can change this instead of the grand total, I can make it as annual total. Annual total. And font. See, and meanwhile I want to make it some kind of color, right? The color little bit of green. Now this thing I don't want to change this, and on default I want to change green. Oh shit. Mm, green. Mhm.
Sir, I think a category description all are in bold now, sir. So
Default, it was actually it's not in bold. So go back. Mistake, we did it. Okay. Numbers only, right? These are the numbers. Just a few years back. Did it. This is fine. It's about bold only. Now, stack analysis. Okay, column total using. Do a changing something else. Okay, leave it that one. Okay. So this is the way you can creating the a table, right? So the next thing is that. Hmm, oh, here we have it, right? Edit the revenue. Okay. Change the color. I did a small mistake.
Can you try paint on the header? Maybe that's
Right.
on the top.
Do a changing everything.
No,
Okay, leave it. We can try, guys. The grand total. This is changing only grand total. Mhm.
last one, sir, grand totals last.
Even this one also changing only. This is the only one color. Okay. Actually, there could be some kind of issue over here, and we can sort out in some other time. Instead of waste of much time, we can go to the next one. Font color and green. Now close the format pan and edit the title. Revenue by the, okay, title is a revenue by the product category. So edit the title, read revenue by the product category. So you should edit the title. Simply what you can do, that's it. You just say okay. Okay, this is the way you can edit the product category. You're editing the title, and format the year field by selecting the field label from the full down menu. Format year field, right, by selecting the format and full down menu. And under the column change, so you can add the font size and other stuff, you can do it. Okay, so you will be getting this kind of view. Now what I can do, you can duplicate this one. Duplicate in the sense, simply you can take it and duplicate this one, then you'll be getting the same information. After that one, what I can do, now let's add the gross profit. Okay, so you will be taking the gross profit. Okay, you will take the gross profit, and you should add the color, and you say change the color is the red, green, gold. Okay, so simply you can drag the this one and adding into the color, then the color can be changed. And after that one, if you want to change the color, edit the color, and here we can select the which one, green, red. What is the color we should add it here based on this
Gold.
thing? Red, green, gold, right? Red, gold. Just sit. Okay, yes, you read it. After that one, you will be getting this kind of view. Now notice that to change the number different colors, it could be hard to read the number option for highlighted in the entire cell. So what I want to do, I want to be change the entire row different color. So change the mark from the automatic to square, and change the color and orange to blue, orange blue light diverging. Simply you can instead of the automatic, you can make it the square. You'll be getting this kind of a thing. Now I want to change the color. I want to change the color is, what is the color should I use it for better thing? Orange blue lightening. Orange blue light diverging. Just simply okay. So orange blue light, and simply apply and click OK. Okay, this is the way you can create the different formats. And here I want it only 2007, 2008, and 2009, 2011, 2011 only. Okay, and I don't need 2012, and I don't need 2006, and grand total at right side also I don't want it. Simply what I should do, I can go to the analysis and totals, and simply remove this one. In the meanwhile, I don't want the 12 and I don't want the 6. So this way we can do it. And moreover, I can maintain some kind of order, right? Okay, so simply you here we have an option, sorting order. Okay, so this way we can add it. Clear? Yep. And next you want to create the bar charts. Okay, so bar charts, and here we have an option to create. This is the this kind of bar charts I want to be created. So if you want to create this bar chart, okay, simply here we have to do the, or else you have to be analyze the revenue and profit. Okay, revenue, profit, and in a revenue by customers. So creating the horizontal bar charting show the revenue by customers. So here, what I should do, I would like to go for creating the one more sheet. Just click on this sheet, and here creating the new sheet name is the bar chart. Yes, you can give the name is the bar chart. So see guys, when you're working on companies, so you will be getting the documents. Based on the document only you have to work on it. Okay, don't worry about it. So in the bar chart, so what I want to do, bar chart. Okay, so bar chart, and create the revenue in the row and customer description in the column. So revenue row and customer description, it was in the column. So this way you are going to be creating the this kind of sheet. Now sort the highest revenue to smallest. If you want to sort this one, here we have the smallest to the highest, right? So this way, just wait for 1 second guys.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Yeah. So make it the currency, and no, add this one and format and currency, and make it the decimals of zeros, and this one is automatic, and click on it. Okay, this is the way we can add the revenue as the label. Okay, this is the way you are creating the one bar chart, horizontal bar chart. Okay, in the same way, now what I can do, I would like to go for creating the one more chart. It was the profit. So now what I can do, I can take the profit, I can take the profit. Here this is a profit, and this profit I can adding into the column. So this time it was creating the two graphs. Okay, so here we have the, here also the label also showing me like revenue only. Here the label also showing me revenue only. Okay, so if you want to add anything, then you just simply the color, it could be format. I think you don't need this one. Okay, and this one also I don't want it. Simply I took this one and adding into the color, and oh, sorry. Yeah. This is the revenue, and this is your gross profit thing, right? Okay, now we can add the label. Add the gross profit to the label, and the chart, it was, now both charts are showing in the revenue label only. Now change the label first. Mark shelf is the sum profit, and remove the revenue SD, and this way we can do it. And we have to go for remove this one. You can remove it. Now it was showing me different. This is the profit. Okay, this is profit information. This is revenue information. Okay, so even this here also. Okay, so it was good. It was also good. Now, okay. Okay, now what I can do, you're creating the two graphs, right? And you remove that, those things from the unwanted things, you removed it. Now what I can do, we have the side by side icon in the show me, right? So this two I want to make it in the same area or same line. So here this is the option, side by side bar. So if you click on this one, you will be getting this one, and you can make it horizontally and arranging in a descending, ascending order, descending order. Okay, so you can do these things again and swap the horizontal. And now what I can do, I want the graph something like this. Okay, but as of now I got the graph something, it was different format we are getting, right? So now what I can do, I can take the measures. I can remove these measures. Okay, and I can take these measures, color. This is the revenue and profit. And meanwhile, the same measures, I can take it in a size as well. So if you want to get this kind of view, if you want to get this kind of view, revenue should be lengthy so that you can change the order. If we change the order, okay, if you change the order, you will be getting something like this. And ascending order. Okay. Now, first it could be the profit, and next to it could be the sort by descending and rename the. Okay, but we are getting. I think you don't need this one. Remove it. Actually, you will be getting this kind of view, guys. I got it. Okay. Hope you got it. So you just do these 3 graphs. I'm sharing this document as well as, and I'm sharing this both documents and this work, this assignment graph, as well as I can share with you. You can try to work on it. Okay. So I'm closing this one. Save it. Okay, don't save it. There's 2 things I'm sharing with you guys, and hopefully you can do it. And Canvas instructor. Login. We'll meet on Monday. We'll try to do some more bar charts, or we'll do a lot many charts in the Monday class. Okay. Bye.
Right.